Step into the 2015 Kia Soul-Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display, cruise control and external temperature display. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.